Hi, AT from CNC at Home. You know I'm always looking for things that'll burn. Well, my daughter put a carpet in her little hiding place under the stairs, and we got some carpet from the next door neighbors. Let's see if it burns. 100 millimeters per minute, 100% power, 2 passes. Oh yeah, that pretty much went through. Nice.
Oops.
Hi, I'm AT from CNC at Home. If you like our content, help support our channel by clicking on subscribe and liking our videos. Thank you for watching this video. Have fun with your CNC at Home projects.